Ultimate hand makeup. Okay. Now, when you're a hand hairdresser or hand makeup stylist, you know the basics of hand makeup. It's not, but I don't consider it hand makeup. I consider it hand art. Ow. Yeah, that feels so good. Yeah. Now I'm putting it on. Hand makeup master. Do you see the hand makeupness? Hand makeup master. Ow. Hand makeup master. Now I have it on the screen. Hand makeup master. As you see, I have hand makeup. Now, for the eyeshadow, I have glue. You die. You die. You die. I just glued a whole bunch of balloons to my hand. Hand makeup master. Yeah. Rock hat. Ow. Ow. Hand makeup master rock hat. Rock hat. Now I shall glue a rock to my hand. Rock hat. Why did I just glue that to my hand? Rock hat. Because it's a hat that's rock. It's a rock in the shape of a rock. Oh my god. And now for the I don't know. And now for the fragrancing. Oh god, that burns. I shouldn't have used. Ooh, it smells good in here. Ow. Ew. Sorry. Hand makeup master. 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 Go. Ow. Hand makeup master. I left a balloon. Hand makeup master. Peace out.